Kom duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC Bishop David Oginde okoninitie ripode mathoth mag ji matiyo kod obok mabandia mag somo.
Kolose boma ma Kisumu Oginde wacho ni ji moko loso oboke mabandia mag manyo thuolo mopogore opogore koriwo koda ka thuolo mag tije.
Bende ogolo siem ne jomibadhi mani kod tim mariako lope mag jopiny.
We have seen land grabbing seems to be getting on the increase, and this is an area that is of great disappointment to us, because we would like to see a situation where Kenyans do the right thing. You own the property that is rightfully yours, but we have put measures into place to ensure that this does not increase. We have seen another increase in the area of fake certificates, people trying to get employment using false documents. And again, an area that we are working hard to ensure that it doesn't jeopardize our education system. Because if we continue in that trend, as you have heard, some countries are already beginning to blacklist our degrees. And that would not be good for the young people of this country, and indeed everybody. Because if you are going to get a job out of the country and you present your papers and they are not trusted, it will jeopardize our movement and our work in different countries.